know you've all been waiting for this video. So today I'm going to show you how to sublimate on acrylic. Acrylic is such a versatile material, and when done right, the results are stunning. Let's get started. First, we need to talk about the acrylic that we use for sublimation. So cast acrylic is made by pouring liquid acrylic into molds, resulting in a smooth surface that's ideal for sublimation. This manufacturing process creates a durable material that resists warping and produces vibrant, true-to-colour prints. One way to identify cast acrylic is by its protective covering. It's generally a paper protector. Now that protector is just there to help safeguard against any damage during handling and processing, but before you start your project, you need to make sure that you do remove that paper protector from both sides and clean the acrylic. Let's move on to the heat press setup. We'll begin by ensuring that the heat press is preheated to the recommended temperature of 190 degrees Celsius. For this demonstration, we'll be pressing for 60 seconds. To protect your press, place a layer of baking paper on the bottom platen. This acts as a barrier to prevent any stray ink or residue from transferring onto the press surface. Now take your acrylic Reindeer blank, so cute, and place it carefully on the baking paper. Next, position your infusible ink sheet cut to size over the Reindeer blank with the ink side facing down. Add another protective layer of baking paper on top, creating a sublimation sandwich to protect the press from any potential ink transfer. While I'm not using heat tape for this demonstration, it's worth noting that for smaller items or designs requiring precise alignment, heat tape is essential to hold the paper in place and ensure accurate results. Once the pressing is complete, carefully slide the acrylic piece onto a flat surface and place some heavy objects on top while it cools. This step helps prevent warping as the acrylic sets. Once it's fully cooled, remove the infusible ink and wow, look at that colour pop. This Reindeer blank is from Crafting Blanks Australia, and I'll pop the link in the comments so you can grab one too. You can see on the infusible ink paper what a great transfer we achieved. Our infusible ink is from Rainbow Vinyl Co, and this beautiful pattern is their Christmas tartan. A quick tip, don't reuse your baking paper as it may transfer residue onto your next project. Now just add some decorations to your acrylic piece. Just like that, our reindeer is complete. We'd love you to support our channel by liking this video, sharing it with all your friends, and also subscribe to us so you don't miss out on anything new that we put out.